Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade banana chips. So you're gonna need green bananas, salt, water, oil, and a pot for frying. Flame and eye. So start, we're going to soak the bananas into water. So add about a tablespoon and a half. Just let that dissolve. So just 1, 2, do the ripest one then. Ripe on 4. So just put some oil in. Just put some oil in your hand. This would prevent the stain of the banana to get on your hand, on your skin. And just cut the top, use a tip, and just core. See, look, and just core the same length. Just do like that, and then cut, and do them all. This is the stain I'm talking about. Look. When you cut it, see that drip? This is stain. You score and cut. Now you just put this paper to protect the surface, because look, if you can see, and just peel it off. This is clean. So you just put your finger, just get beneath, and just switch slowly and gently. Don't be quick and hasty, and don't panic. These are almost ripe. Maybe if I leave it about 4 more days, they will get ripe. So it's kind of peeling easy. Oops. So just clean it. Make sure no green is on it. Alright. So now with this, you just pull it like that and just slice it. Horizontal, sideways horizontal. That's it. So once that's finished, This is the water. Just put them in. Just let them stay in the water for 15 minutes. This part is optional, you know, but I'm just doing it. I'm doing it all the way. Alright, so just let it soak for about 15 minutes. Alright. So, get stuff ready. Get a surface area. You put an hand towel. Oh no, pot I forgot wash. I will take me to wash the pot. While we wait for that pot to dry, let's start taking out these. Let's lay them on the dry surface. I'm just gonna use a towel and dry it. Just damp it like use a thick paper towel, not thin one like this. Put to eat. It's kind of wet. The famous cracked pot. Put the stove's gauge on flame high or 6. Add oil. Add enough oil for frying. Just allow that to get hot. Once you see a little smoke, you can test the oil too, you know, just see it start frying. I mean, it's kind of ready for the, but I want oil to be hot. So once you see a little smoke, it's about 2 minutes now, and I'm still not gonna put it in, because I want it to be crisp, not soggy and oily. Now after 3 minutes, lay the bananas. So just position them right, make sure they're in it, and just allow that to stay on one side about 2 to 3 minutes. It fries for the minute or so. You can just use a fork and just separate them from sticking. Don't flip it yet, you know. Just kind of take them apart. It starts to brown, caramel. It's starts to golden caramel on the side, that's when it's ready to flip. Okay, what you can do is just look on one, just flip one, and if the one look like it's fried like that, just flip them all. So you just flip it on the other side. That took 4 minutes on that side. So you just flip it. So while on this side now, you can just kind of move it so it don't. Just kind of gently move it. Check the ones in that need to flip. It might look like it's burning, but it's not. It's just getting its color. I'm putting the ones in that didn't cook in the oil, and the ones in that fry already up. So now, let's separate them. Just allow them to drain. If you want, let's sprinkle some more salt on. In fact, sprinkle more salt. The other day I was using this thing and the whole thing came off. No one, I'm gonna hold it like that. So it took 2 minutes to fry on the other side. Stir fry really. So that's a sample. Oh, you gotta serve this and eat this like now. It's gonna get soft. Get soft within the next 45 minutes. It's a little snack. I guess these people know what they were saying. It's guilty-free snacking. That's what they said. Already. Homemade banana chips. Really kind of nice. Banana is a good source of starch. It have fiber. It doesn't have, but not much. The banana skin is where all the fiber is. Fiber is good for you. It allows you to, you know what, do number 2 easily, quickly. So smooth, everything. It helps. You can eat this with sausage, anything. But this is egg. It's a nice little snack. That's a nice little snack to have in the nights. Just wanna do something. See ya. Bye.